Welcome to my channel Home Interiors. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Are you looking for the bedroom cupboard design ideas? Don't worry, we are here for you and we will help you. In this video, I am gonna show you the beautiful images and beautiful designs of stylish cupboards for your bedroom. So stay with us and watch this video till the end. Incorporating proper storage in your bedroom is essential in order for you to store your clothes and personal belongings. One of the simplest ways of doing so is by adding cupboards to your master room or to your bedroom. If you have been looking for a stylish wardrobe layout for your house or for your bedroom, then in this video I am going to show you the amazing designs that we have put together, and I am sure that you will definitely like this video. Here in this video we offer you a wide range of products which includes wardrobe designs such as built-in bedroom cupboard designs, bedroom color design, dressing table storage designing services, bedroom dressing design ideas, bedroom cupboard interiors, and many more items. Make the most of your bedroom with these stylish and inventive decorating and design ideas. Bedroom furniture. Installing high quality fitted furniture in your bedroom can help you in increasing the value of your home, like the fitted bedroom furniture in its other part. People who look for storage space in their bedroom usually prefer to buy customized fitted wardrobes as an investment for their home. So that's why I am showing all of those ideas in this video. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button. You can also share it with your friends and fellows. Give us your feedback in the comment box. We will meet in the next video. Be happy, stay blessed. Thank you.